Welcome back. One well-known use for your WordPress website is to use a plugin in order to cloak or hide long affiliate links. And you can do that by going to your plugins area and you're going to look for affiliate cloaking. You're going to use the search term pretty links. That's going to bring you to this search area. Now, pretty links will allow you to hide long links, and while they don't have to be affiliate links that will be the primary use for them within your WordPress website. What it allows you to do is to use your domain and to create a recognizable and memorable link. We can go to Pretty Links and then click Install Now. What we can then do is to activate Pretty Links. You're going to see on the left side menu that you have a menu just for Pretty Links. And Pretty Links is very easy to use to get started. All you'll need to do is to click this link that says Add New. Let's assume that one of the long links that you wanted to hide was going to be for a YouTube video. Once we get the URL, what we're going to do is we're going to place it in the target URL section. And what we can then do is we can rename the entire link. You will have a default link here, but you can change that link to be what you want it to be. We are going to write in a different name. And we're then going to click Update. That's going to give us a new URL. We can grab the link from this area that says Pretty Link, and we're going to enter that link in our browser. And you're going to see that the link is now the memorable one that we created. However, if we hit the Enter button, what's going to happen is we are then going to be sent to the YouTube channel. We are then going to be sent to the YouTube link that we were actually trying to hide and redirect to. And so we can use this for whatever purpose that we want. All we'll need is the link that we want to redirect to, and then a name, as we used here, for the link that we're looking to create. Okay, with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.